Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing like a no makeup look. I would like to use minimal products as I possibly can. I'm not going to use too much, but I'm just going to try and go for that natural kind of no makeup look with makeup on. So but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put on my wig at first. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig. If you guys are not familiar with this wig, I did a wet look with this wig. After doing it with my natural hair, I did it with this wig, and I've had the wig for like a month now, and I absolutely love the wig. I've actually worn it one or two times, not like every day, and I've had it for like almost a month now. The wig is a very nice wig. It's just like an update on the wig. It's a very nice wig, very soft, still very soft, and the coils are still there. If you want to turn it to a straight hair, you can always turn it to a straight hair, but I'm gonna keep the coils because I absolutely love the coils. So that's what I'm gonna be wearing for this video. And I don't know if I should do the wet look for it this time again. I don't know, but I just really love the way the wet look looks this kind of coily wig. So I might just end up doing it again. I don't know yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the makeup. Then when I'm done with the makeup, I'm just gonna, you know, finish up the hair look. So guys, I'm gonna start with my makeup first. I'm gonna start by doing my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my brow tinter. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean my eyebrow with my MAC NC45 concealer. So right here, I'll be going with my Clarins foundation. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face, and then afterwards I'm gonna go ahead and contour.
Watching movies all night, we ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, yeah. We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s. We saving our money, I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Fenty powder.
Take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one.
Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my waterline.
That we can get by together. Come sit down. Let's.
Then now I'm gonna apply my liquid eyeliner.
I gotta let you know that can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like.
So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. I've done my false lashes off camera. Then now I'm gonna apply my highlighter.
You keep it popping almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come sit down. Celebrate this love, baby. Why don't we go?
So now I'll be going in with this nude kind of pinkish nude lipstick. I'm gonna apply it first of all on my lips. Then I'll be going in with this natural brown color lipstick. I'm gonna apply because I'm going for a new neutral lip color. Then I'll be going in with my clear lip gloss. I'm gonna apply it on it to give it a little bit of shine. So right here, I'll be taking my Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna lay my edges with it. So now I'm gonna tie a scarf on it. So after tying the scarf, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the remaining part of the hair. I'm gonna start by spraying water on it.
Take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place.
So after spraying water, I'm gonna run my fingers through it.
I'm not the type's gotta be in love.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my jam on it.
I'm used to being solo, but it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my hair serum, my serum oil. As you guys can see, the coils are popping. So right here, I wanted to hold it with a pin, you know, but I decided to just let it go eventually. So this is what it looks like with a pin. And this is the way I decided to keep it, and I really love this hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
It's Young John, the wicked producer. Casa.